Right, morning. I finished removing everything from the floor. I even found some plates here which were covering up holes. Clearly they couldn't weld, so they just put plates on with rivets. And now, painstaking job of heating the paint up, right? It's very 75-year-old paint, right? So I'm heating it up and scraping it off with this scraper, right? Now that's coming off a little bit, but all this, which is all that, is very hard to get. And the annoying thing is that you can't do it with this. I dare do that. And that's because we don't know, but this paint, it being so old, it could contain arsenic in it. And when you torch it, it releases poison as gas form into the air. So I've been having a headache. No, but basically I can't do it with that, which is ideal because it just burns it all off. And I'm doing it with this and that thing I showed you before. Oh, there.
Shared the first pictures of their newborn twins. The siblings called Nicholas and Lucy were reportedly born last month.
So anyway, that's it. See you later.
McCartney and Ringo Starr both attended Stella McCartney's autumn 2018